Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Gaspé is a city located at the eastern tip of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec, where the Gulf of St. Lawrence meets Gaspé Bay. It is one of the largest communities in the region, with a population of about 15,000 people. The city includes several smaller communities and covers a large area of coastline, forests, and rural landscapes. Gaspé is known as a gateway to some of Quebec's most dramatic natural scenery, including Forillon National Park. The name Gaspé comes from the Mi'kmaq word Gaspé, which means end of the land. The region has a long history dating back thousands of years, with indigenous peoples using these lands and waters for fishing, hunting, and travel. European exploration began when Jacques Cartier arrived in the area in 1534 and claimed the territory for France. This event is considered one of the earliest moments in the history of New France. For centuries, fishing has been at the heart of Gaspé's economy. The waters around the peninsula have supported fisheries for cod, lobster, shrimp, and other seafood. Today, many residents continue to work in fishing and seafood processing. Tourism is also a major industry, with visitors coming to experience the coastline, national parks, wildlife, and outdoor activities. One of the area's most significant landmarks is Forillon National Park, established in 1970 and located at the northeastern tip of the Gaspé Peninsula. The park protects forests, cliffs, beaches, and marine habitats while preserving the history of communities that once lived there. The region is also known for its role in the Battle of the St. Lawrence during the Second World War, when German submarines operated in the Gulf of St. Lawrence and attacked Allied shipping routes. Housing in Gaspé remains more affordable compared with larger Quebec cities. Average home prices are generally in the range of about $200,000 to $300,000, although prices vary depending on location, size, condition, and whether a property is near the waterfront. The city has attracted retirees, remote workers, and people looking for a coastal lifestyle with access to nature and local services. Today, Gaspé represents the meeting point of land, sea, and history. From its indigenous roots and French exploration history to its fishing traditions and modern tourism economy, the city reflects the changing story of Quebec's eastern coast. Its dramatic scenery and connection to the ocean continue to define life in this unique corner of the province.